Ever since I retired from IIT Madras in 1980, I've been working in the village trying to understand how to make villages in India shine. We find that the economic well-being of the village depends upon its farmers, and today farming is not remunerative. If we as consumer pay about 40 rupees for a vegetable in Chennai, hardly 10 to 12 rupees goes to the farmer, and rest of it is used in the supply chain, which is inefficient today. If you take a look at a vegetable that is produced in a village, by the time it comes to the dining table, it goes through various hands. For example, the aggregator in the village, who is a broker, picks up the vegetable from the farmer. He brings it to the nearby mandi, where the vegetables from various villages are aggregated and sent to Chennai city, wherein in a Coimbatore like a market, these are sold to the retailers of the vegetable. The vegetable comes to Coimbatore, from where the retailers of the vegetable buy it and bring it to the store near your residence. If you see this process, it is very inefficient because the vegetable is handled in so many places and there are so many people who are involved in the supply chain who do not add value to the supply chain. And this is the reason why very small proportion of what we spend goes to the farmer. Looking at this supply chain, we found that we can improve the efficiency of the supply chain by creating an online ordering of vegetables. So we have started a social enterprise called Land to Kitchen. The objective is to improve the supply chain of the vegetable as it comes from farm to the city. The objective of the Land Kitchen is to improve the efficiencies of the supply chain. The way we improve the supply chain is to ensure that minimum number of people are involved from the time the vegetable is ordered to the time it gets delivered in the house, and in the process also remove various impediments to an efficient supply chain. The details of this Land to Kitchen social enterprise will be explained by Sriram.
Land to Kitchen is a social enterprise which aims to help consumers in and around South Chennai and farmers in and around Chengalpet. The objective of the social enterprise is to give a consumer farm fresh vegetables which are healthy for them at a good price, delivered at their doorstep. They can order online today and get delivery tomorrow. So these are some of the benefits, and we are also promoting the concept of eat local and eat healthy for the consumers. For the environment, we are trying to minimize the food miles of travel of the vegetables. We are also trying to reduce the non-biodegradables in the supply chain, especially in packaging, and also the use of paper in the supply chain. Another environment benefit of Land to Kitchen is its ability to reduce the wastage of vegetables, which is currently around 30 to 40%. We are trying to bring it down to below 5%. As far as the environment is concerned, we have discussed the benefits. We are also trying to promote some social benefits from Land to Kitchen. Definitely we want to increase the farmer's income and reduce the variability of the farmer's income. We are also trying to improve the agricultural practices through capacity building of farmers. We hope that because of this endeavor, more and more youth will take to farming, cultivate their lands, and also get into production of vegetables. Unfortunately, many youth in the rural areas are migrating to the city today because agriculture is not attractive and remunerative. We are taking a small step to make sure that this doesn't happen. Information and communication technology backbone for this is developed by Gyan Data and IIT Madras, and the key employees of Land to Kitchen are Surender, Kumar and Janaki Raman.